Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to see the video tag in HTML. So video tag is generally used to import a particular video into the HTML web page or HTML website. So the tag which we are using to import the video is a video that is video, that is video only. So through that tag you can import the video from the source location to the any web pages or any HTML website. So in this video we are going to see how that video tag will work, how to import that video, what is the attribute that is used to import that video from a source to destination. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. So let's get started with this video. So first of all, what we have to do, this is the basic, you can see on your screen the basic HTML code. So first of all, I have typed the tag video. In this video tag we have to type the source tag. The source tag is basically used to import a particular video, and it will use to tell you the type, what is the type of video and in which browser it will be supportive or which browser it will not be supportive. So we can use the source tag, and in source tag you can see there are two attributes, src and type. src is used to, in src we have to give our source video location. In type we have to define the type of the video, it's a mp4 or is any other file, or depend upon the type it will select that in which browser it will be supportive or in which browser it will not be supportive. So for right now I can give a source as a 123.mp4 and type equals to video/mp4. so it's video/mp4, the video will be supportive in every browser. When I save this code and when I run my tag.html, you can see the video, but the length and width are too high. So first of all we have to set the width and height of this video. So what we will do, in video tag we will set the width as a 320 and height equals to 150. So when I save this code, when I refresh this page, you can see the width and height changes, but it is kind of very small. So now we have to increase the width and height. So now I will take as a 520 and make this as a 300. When I save this code, now it is a perfect height, but it is not looking like a video because there is no control. So if you want to add control, then you have to type control over here as a control, and when I save this code and when I refresh, you can see the control, all the controls, play, volume, full screen, picture in picture options. So you can get all the controls over here. Now we will try to apply some css part over here and see how it will work. So first of all, what we will do, we will try to add the border around a video. So inside the head tag we will define style, and first of all we have to give a class. So in video tag I will give class as a video, and in style I will create a class video, and in that I will give border equals to 10 pixel. When I save this code, you can see a border over the video. Now what we have to do, we have to put that video into the center. So what we will do, we will do display equals to block, margin right equals to auto, margin left equals to auto. When I save this code and when I refresh, you can see the video into the center. It will take margin left as auto and margin right equals to auto, and display is in the form of block. So the video will come to the center because it will take equal amount of margin left and equal amount of margin right, as we have put the margin as auto. Now what we will do, we will try to apply margin top over here. You can type margin top also, so that it will margin top equals to 5%. When I save this code, when I run, you can see the 5% margin over here. So in this way you can use the video tag and the source tag to import a video into your web page. I have explained the basic about video tag, how it's work, what is the attributes of video tag, and what is the definition, and how to use that tag to import the videos. and I have explained the basic CSS part over the video, how to make a video how to make video align center, how to apply border and margin in a video. So if you want to explore more regarding this video tag, you can explore more over the net, and you will find a very good examples of how to make video responsive. If you haven't liked this video, please like this video, comment your thought, what you think about this video. If you haven't shared this video, please share this video with your friends, with everyone who wants to learn HTML. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon, and we'll see you in our next video.